Hey there, and welcome to exercise number 48. In this one, we need to write a function named moveItems that receives two parameters. First, an array of numbers we're going to call numbers, and secondly, an array of objects representing moveInstructions for the numbers array. Let's call this parameter moveInstructions. Each item inside has two properties, fromIndex and toIndex, and we're basically going to move numbers in our numbers array from a certain index to another index. Now, the function should return the numbers array after applying all the move instructions in order. Below we have an example. So if our numbers array is 1, 2, 3, 4, and our move instructions are those, so we move the element from index 0 to index 3, then we move the element from index 0 to index 1, and then we move the element from index 2 to index 0, the result should be this one, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after this, we have another example in which we don't have any move instructions, so basically the array doesn't change. Now, if you want to solve this exercise for yourself, click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching. I'm going to go here into the right side, into the code area, and let's iterate through the move instructions, right? Because we need to apply them in order, one after the other. So I'm going to say move instructions, that's for each, and we're going to do here some processing, right? This is the idea, and then I'm going to return the numbers array. So here we're going to modify it. Now each move instruction is going to be an object with two properties, fromIndex and toIndex. So let's just structure them, and I'm going to say fromIndex, toIndex. Now how do I want to do this? Well, I'm going to use some very special functions to modify the array. So that's going to be numbers.splice, and I'm going to say fromIndex and then 1, right? This one is going to delete one element from this index. And then I'm going to do numbers.splice toIndex. I'm not going to delete anything, but instead I'm going to add the value I removed from here. Now the problem is I just removed it, so I don't have it. So I'm going to say, let's create number2 move is numbers of fromIndex. And here we're going to put it at the end. I mean, not at the end, at the toIndex. Now, after all this is done, we're going to return. So we already wrote this. And to be honest with you, this should pretty much be it. Now, let's test our code. So I'm going to say console log moveItems off. And first I'm going to take the numbers array here. And then I'm going to take the move instructions here. And we get 4, 3, 2, 1, which is correct. Now let's, instead of an array with move instructions, let's put an empty array. And we should get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this looks good, so let's test our solution, and voila, it works. Cheers, and see you in the next one.